Hey guys, and welcome to Epic Gun Time. Today we're going to install the SF helmet cover for the SF High Cut helmet from OpsCore. We previously did an unboxing video. If you haven't watched that already, go ahead and check it out. And if you haven't already, real quick, if you wouldn't mind, please hit the like button on this video. Be sure to subscribe to our channel, where we will be producing more content like this as we put together weapon systems and helmets and all kinds of fun things. So anyways, we're going to put on this helmet cover today, and let's go ahead and check it out. This SF High Cut Ballistic helmet that I purchased came in foliage green is the color I ordered. So we're going to put a foliage green cover on this helmet. So let's go ahead and check it out here. Okay, let's go ahead and get started here. It looks like, per the instructions, you're supposed to put one of these hook coins, or coin hooks, in each corner of the helmet. So we're gonna do that. Okay, my assumption is that it is okay to put these on the foam. So we're gonna go ahead and mount these to the foam on the inside. Hopefully that's okay. Pretty sure it's okay. That's why I'm doing this video, so that you guys will do it right. Okay, I went ahead and I mounted the adhesive hooks on the back two corners, and then underneath the padding on the front two corners here. So I assume that's where it's supposed to go. We're going to give it a shot. Let's see if we can stretch this shroud over the top now. Okay, stretch on that side and that side. How to look ridiculous on camera. There we go. Step one. It's not even. It's gotta be even. All right. Okay, shroud is installed. I think that's about right. I think that's pretty close. Yeah, I hope that stays there. I think it will. I can probably adjust that. Anyways, guys, there's probably better installation videos on this, but I think I kind of got it close. Let me know in the comments what you think. Definitely like the look of this helmet with the shroud. All right, guys. Hey, thanks a lot for watching this video. If you haven't already, be sure to hit the like button and be sure to subscribe to our channel if you haven't already. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time.